Listen up, you lot. Did you know that nearly 3/4 of people who skip breakfast regret it before lunchtime? It's a bloody disaster. You wouldn't start a car without fuel, would you? So why treat your body like a clapped-out old banger? This is where we come in. Get ready for a full-on assault on your senses as we dive headfirst into 10 breakfast dishes that'll make you want to leap out of bed in the morning. We're talking vibrant colors, fresh ingredients, and flavors that'll blow your bloody mind. From classic plates with a twist to exotic bowls bursting with goodness, we're taking you on a global tour of breakfast brilliance. So, buckle up, get those taste buds tingling, and let's raise a toast to the most important meal of the day. First up, we're kicking things off with a breakfast staple that's as trendy as it is tasty: avocado toast. Now I know what you're thinking, avocado on toast, that's it? But trust me, you lot, this isn't your average breakfast toast. We're talking perfectly ripe avocados, mashed to creamy perfection, piled high on a thick slice of sourdough bread. And the best part? It's as versatile as it gets. A sprinkle of chili flakes for a fiery kick? Done. A poached egg with a runny yolk? Absolutely. We're even throwing in some crumbled feta and a drizzle of honey for a sweet and savory sensation that'll have you singing. This isn't just breakfast, it's a bloody masterpiece. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and more flavor than you can shake a stick at, avocado toast is the perfect way to fuel your morning and conquer your day. So, ditch the cereal, bin the pastries, and get on board with the breakfast revolution. Avocado toast is here to stay, and frankly, your taste buds will thank you for it. Now let's move on to something a little more liquid. All right, you healthy devils, are you ready for a breakfast that's as easy on the eyes as it is on the stomach? Get ready for smoothie bowls, the vibrant and nutritious way to start your day. We're talking frozen fruits, leafy greens, and all sorts of superfoods blended into a thick, creamy dream. Think mango and spinach or berries and kale. The possibilities are endless. And don't even get me started on the toppings. We're talking crunchy granola, juicy berries, chia seeds, coconut flakes, and even a cheeky drizzle of nut butter. It's a flavor explosion waiting to happen. But it's not just about the taste, is it? Smoothie bowls are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to power you through the morning. Plus, they're incredibly easy to make. Just throw everything into a blender, blitz it until smooth, and you're good to go. So, ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the rainbow. Smoothie bowls are the perfect way to nourish your body and kickstart your day with a burst of flavor and energy. Right, you lot, let's turn up the heat with a breakfast dish that's as exotic as it is delicious. Get ready for shakshuka, a Middle Eastern and North African sensation that's taking the breakfast world by storm. Imagine this: a simmering pan of aromatic tomato sauce, spiced to perfection with cumin, paprika, and a touch of chili. Now crack a few eggs right into that beautiful sauce and let them poach to gooey perfection. The result? A symphony of flavors and textures that'll have you licking your plate clean. We're talking rich, spicy tomato sauce, fluffy eggs with perfectly runny yolks, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs for a touch of freshness. Traditionally served with crusty bread for dipping, shakshuka is a hearty and satisfying breakfast that'll transport your taste buds to the sun-drenched streets of Tel Aviv or Marrakesh. Trust me, this is one breakfast adventure you don't want to miss. So grab your spices, fire up the stove, and get ready to experience the magic of shakshuka. Chapter 4. Chia pudding, tiny seeds, mighty breakfast. Now, for those of you who like their breakfast with a bit of texture, let me introduce you to the powerhouse of the breakfast world, chia pudding. Don't let these tiny seeds fool you. They pack a nutritional punch that'll have you bouncing off the walls. We're talking fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and more, all you need to conquer your day. The beauty of chia pudding lies in its simplicity. Just mix chia seeds with your choice of milk, almond, coconut, soy. The possibilities are endless, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. As if by magic, those tiny seeds transform into a creamy, pudding-like consistency that's as satisfying as it is delicious. Now here's where things get really interesting. The flavor combinations are endless. We're talking fresh fruit, nut butter swirls, a sprinkle of granola, or even a cheeky dollop of yogurt. So ditch the sugary yogurts and embrace the power of chia. Chia pudding is the perfect make-ahead breakfast that's healthy, delicious, and customizable to your liking. Chapter 5. Breakfast burrito, the king of convenience. Listen up, you busy bees. Need a breakfast that can keep up with your hectic schedule? Look no further than the breakfast burrito, the king of convenience and flavor. We're talking fluffy scrambled eggs, melted cheese, your choice of protein bacon, sausage, chorizo, you name it. all wrapped up in a warm tortilla. It's a handheld breakfast of dreams, perfect for those mornings when you're on the go. But don't think for a minute that convenience means compromising on flavor. Oh no, we're talking spicy salsa, creamy guacamole, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice to tie it all together. It's a flavor explosion in every single bite. And the best part? Breakfast burritos are incredibly versatile. You can customize them with your favorite fillings, make them vegetarian, or even vegan. So, ditch the boring breakfast bars and embrace the convenience and deliciousness of the breakfast burrito. It's the perfect way to fuel your morning, even when you're short on time. Chapter 6: Eggs Benedict, a classic with a capital C. Alright, let's be honest, sometimes you just crave a breakfast that feels a little bit special, a little bit indulgent. And for those mornings, there's only one dish that will do: Eggs Benedict. This classic brunch staple is a symphony of flavors and textures that's guaranteed to impress. We're talking perfectly toasted English muffins topped with savory ham or smoked salmon, and then the star of the show, poached eggs drenched in a rich and creamy hollandaise sauce. Now I know what you're thinking, hollandaise sauce, that's too fancy for me, but trust me, it's easier to make than you think. And the result? Pure breakfast heaven. That velvety smooth sauce, the perfectly runny yolk, the salty ham, it's a combination that's been celebrated for decades and for good reason. So put on your chef's hat, channel your inner culinary master, and treat yourself to a plate of Eggs Benedict. It's a breakfast classic that never disappoints. Chapter 7: Açaí Bowls, the Superfood Superstar. Right, let's jet off to the sunny shores of Brazil for our next breakfast adventure, açaí bowls. This superfood sensation has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. Açaí berries, with their deep purple hue and unique, slightly tart flavor, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, blended into a thick, smoothie-like consistency, and topped with an assortment of fresh fruit, granola, and other goodies. Açaí bowls are as delicious as they are nutritious. We're talking sliced bananas, juicy berries, crunchy granola, a drizzle of honey, and maybe even a sprinkle of bee pollen for an extra boost of energy. It's a breakfast that looks as good as it tastes, and it'll have you feeling like you can conquer the world. So, ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the power of the açaí bowl. It's the perfect way to nourish your body, boost your energy levels, and start your day feeling like a true superhero. Now, who doesn't love a good stack of pancakes? They're fluffy, they're comforting, and they're the perfect blank canvas for a world of toppings. But we're not talking about your average run-of-the-mill pancakes here. Oh no, we're taking things up a notch with toppings that are creative, unusual, and downright delicious. Think beyond the classic maple syrup and butter, although let's be honest, those are always a winner. We're talking ricotta cheese and fresh figs for a touch of elegance, or caramelized bananas and pecans for a sweet and crunchy sensation. How about a dollop of lemon curd and fresh berries for a burst of zesty flavor? Or maybe you're feeling adventurous and want to try a savory pancake topped with smoked salmon, cream cheese, and chives. The possibilities are endless. So fire up the griddle, grab your spatulas, and get ready to create a pancake masterpiece that's anything but ordinary. Alright, for those of you who like to start your day with a protein boost, let me introduce you to the quinoa breakfast bowl. This South American grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it the perfect fuel for a busy morning. But don't think for a minute that healthy has to mean boring. Quinoa is incredibly versatile and can be customized to your liking. We're talking sweet and savory combinations that'll tantalize your taste buds. Think cooked quinoa topped with almond milk, berries, and a sprinkle of nuts and seeds for a breakfast that's both delicious and nutritious. Or how about a savory bowl with black beans, avocado, salsa, and a perfectly poached egg? The possibilities are endless, so ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the power of quinoa. It's the perfect way to fuel your body and start your day with a protein-packed punch. Finally, let's end our breakfast adventure with a touch of French flair, the croissant sandwich. This buttery, flaky pastry is the perfect vessel for a variety of delicious fillings, making it an excellent choice for a special occasion breakfast or brunch. We're talking savory combinations like ham and cheese, smoked salmon and cream cheese, or even a classic croque monsieur with melted Gruyere and ham. But don't be afraid to get creative with sweet fillings too. Think Nutella and fresh fruit, ricotta cheese and honey, or even a decadent chocolate croissant bread pudding. The key to a perfect croissant sandwich is to use high-quality ingredients and to not be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations. So, grab your favorite fillings, slice open a fresh croissant, and get ready to enjoy a breakfast that's as delicious as it is elegant. There you have it, you lot. 10 breakfast dishes that'll transform your mornings from dreary to delightful. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It's what fuels your body and mind, setting you up for success. So, ditch the excuses, get creative in the kitchen, and treat yourself to a breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious. And don't forget to share your culinary creations with us in the comments below. We want to see your breakfast masterpieces. Now go forth and conquer your day, you breakfast champions.